Hey, welcome to today's video. I feel somewhat disconnected at the moment. Nick and I helped Lex stain 3 decks, which involved power washing, sanding, staining, and stain touch-ups over the period of a week and some days. And then immediately after that, I started working again at FedEx overnight, so I have been very busy and sore and tired for the majority of my favorite month of the year. To finally start my Halloween-y projects, I decided to test out some cheap dollar store face paints. These are grease paints, which can smudge easily, so if you plan to use them, consider using a translucent powder to try to prevent it from transferring onto your costume. I really didn't know what I was going to draw going into this, but I just drew a bunch of little things to get a feel for the materials, and I kept switching back and forth between the 2 options that I had available. Side note real quick, Nick's channel, Chips and Dip, link in the description, is going to have some fun stuff coming out soon. We're working on a Halloween video to go with a little Halloween mix that we made on ukulele and guitar. We haven't had time to work on it much yet, but we literally just shot a few scenes earlier while my video was rendering between edits. I am super excited to see how that turns out. And another side note real quick, this video was supposed to be Nick and myself putting together a glass art table that Lex just got me, which I am super excited for. I just haven't had time to put it together yet. Nick and I have to clean up our spare room to make room for the table before we can put it together. And we got about half of that done, so maybe next week. I'll also be drawing a big black cat poster on the table once it's up, which will be in the same video. It'll be a Halloween-y poster. I also chose that to be the first poster I make because Nick's black cat just passed away a few months ago, so he can hang the poster above the bed so Gato can watch over him. Okay, enough side notes. So as I mentioned, grease paints can smudge easily, and layering colors is not easy, nor is getting a thick solid color. These little scribbles didn't turn out perfect, but they were still super fun to play around with. Even if you don't plan to do much for Halloween this year, I recommend playing with some face paint with a friend or something, or even by yourself, like I did, because it's super easy and fun, and it cleans off pretty easy too. At the end of the video, I show you how I washed this grease paint off my face. I've been watching Glam&Gore a lot lately, like more so than I used to. And I am learning so many effects makeup tricks, and I really hope that I can try some out. We'll see what I have time for. For now, enjoy Nick's new music, and I'll catch you at the end of the video.
The number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...
The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed. We're sorry. We're sorry. The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed. Not in service at this time. Not in service at this time.
Please note the new number is
The beast lives, out of the raging storm. In the dead of night, the ravenous, blood-sick creature searches for its sacrifice. Through the hideous darkness it lurches. The beast lives, out of the raging storm. In the dead of night, the ravenous, blood-sick creature searches for its sacrifice. Through the hideous darkness it lurches.
Coming up on the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching me goof around for 10 minutes, consider subscribing and check out all the other art videos I've already done. There's a wide variety to choose from. If you'd like to be notified of upcoming videos, remember to click on the bell as well. If you're interested in Chips and Dip, go subscribe to that channel as well, link in the description, and click the bell so that you don't miss the hopefully epic Halloween video coming up later this month. Follow me on social media where I post works in progress, teaser videos and photos, and links to newly posted YouTube videos. I try to post every Tuesday morning at 11:30 a.m. my YouTube videos, Eastern Standard Time, though the internet connection in the mountains of Virginia sometimes cause it to be a couple days late. But anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy crafting.
Out of the raging storm, in the dead of night, the hideous darkness it lurches.